to enable or disable secure boot on your Windows 11 PC? I've got you covered. Welcome to Passionate About Tech today. I'm guiding you step by step to manage secure boot in 2025. It's simple, so let's dive in. Step 1. Check secure boot status. First, we check if secure boot is enabled on our Windows 11 PC. On the taskbar, we click the search bar and type System Information. The best match appears at the top, and we click to open it. In the System Information window, we scroll halfway down to find the Secure Boot State entry. Mine shows On, meaning Secure Boot is already enabled. If yours says Off or Unsupported, we'll enable ITA. If it's On and you want to disable it, we'll cover that too. Step 2. Access the BIOS. Before we move on, I need your support. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is a dream I'm chasing with all my heart. Every video I make is for you, and every subscriber gets me closer to that goal. If you're ready to manage Secure Boot, please hit that subscribe button and join the Passionate About Tech family. Now, we access the BIOS to enable or disable Secure Boot. We restart our Windows 11 PC. Go to the Start menu, click the power button, and select Restart. As the PC restarts, we press the key to enter the BIOS, usually F2 or Del, depending on your device. You may need to press it a few times right after the screen goes black. The BIOS interface varies by PC. Yours might look different, but that's normal. We look for a menu labeled Security or Boot to find the Secure Boot setting. We find the Secure Boot option. Since mine is already enabled, I'll change its state to disabled to show you how. If yours is off, you can set it to enabled instead. If a warning appears, we confirm by selecting Yes. If Secure Boot isn't available or you can't change it, check for a CSM setting. It might need to be disabled first. Once done, we save and exit by pressing the F10 key, then confirm to save the configuration and restart. Back in Windows, we reopen System Information to verify Secure Boot should now reflect your change, either on or off. Your PC's security settings are now customized to your needs. That's it. You've learned how to enable or disable Secure Boot on Windows 11 in 2025. We checked the status, accessed the BIOS, and adjusted the setting step by step. Did this guide help? Let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if it worked for you, and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more tech tips. See you in the next one.